Okay, now it is.
Yeah. Okay. Welcome to today's session. Today, our resource person, respected Chakinam Chandrasekhar sir, assistant professor, Department of Botany, Kakatiya University, Warangal. Sir is going to explain today about the plant growth regulators. In the plant growth regulators, sir has already explained about auxins and gibberellins. Today, sir is going to explain about cytokinin. Okay. Listen carefully. If you have any doubts regarding of this topic, please you ask whenever the session is going on. Okay, sir, continue, please.
No students. Students, we have discussed about auxins and gibberellins. Today we are going to discuss about cytokines. Cyto means cell, kinesis means division. Okay, the meaning of cytokinin is cell division. Okay, who first discovered cell division stimulating substances? This is very important. Cell division stimulating substances were first discovered by Skoog and Miller. Skoog and Miller. Okay. Next, Skoog and Miller called as kinetin. The in examination in entrance point of view, they are asking kinetin is equal to cytokinin. Cytokinin nothing but kinetin. Okay. The term first cytokinin term was used by Latham. The scientist name is Latham. Okay, three steps are very important. Cytokinin meaning is cell division compound. Next, cytokinins were first discovered by Skoog and Miller. This is very important question. Next, they are called as kinetin. The term cytokinin first used by which scientist? Latham. Right. I am asking one question. Who discovered cytokinins?
Skoog and Miller.
Very good. The term cytokine was discovered by
Latham.
These are very important. Three bits are very important. Next, okay. In entrance point of view, cytokinin and zeatin both are equal. Both the function of both the cytokinin and zeatin is cytokinin and zeatin basic function is they encourage what? Cell division. Cell division encourage చేసేది ఎవరంటే zeatin and cytokinin. Okay. Next, zeatin they derived from maize. The plant name is maize. Okay. This is the structure for kinetin. Which structure is for zeatin. Right. Which chemicals are same functioning? Cytokinin and zeatin. Okay. Next, cytokine zeatin ఎక్కడి నుంచి డెరైవ్ చేసిరంటే మెయిజ్ ప్లాంట్ నుంచి డెరైవ్ చేశారు. రైట్. నెక్స్ట్, ఓకే. నెక్స్ట్, already we have discussed for the preparation for the formation of auxins, for the formation of gibberellins, some chemicals are essential. For the formation of cytokinin, adenine is essential. Already you have discussed, that is nitrogen bases are 4 types: adenine, guanine, thymine, cytosine. Okay, in these nitrogen bases, adenine is very important for the formation of cytokinin. Right. Which chemical is essential for the formation of cytokinin? An entrance lo adugudu. Which chemical is essential for the formation of cytokinin?
Adenine.
Right. It is a derivative property. Right. Okay. Cytokinin is synthesis at the place of root system. and it is transport to shoot system. Okay, mainly cytokinin is synthesis at which place? Root system. Next, the cytokinin is transport from root to shoot system. Next, these are the functions. What is the basic function of cytokinin? First function of cytokinin is cell division. Second function of the cytokinin is cell expansion. Expansion means increase in size. That is very, very important. Next, third one is cell elongation. These are the main important points of cytokinins. These are the physiological activities of cytokinins. Number one is cell division. Second thing is cell expansion. Third one is organ formation. Right. Okay. Hormones are classified into gibberellins, cytokinins are very, very cytokinin, auxin. High amount of auxin and low amount of cytokinin encouraging for the formation of stems. This is very, very important, right? In entrance point of view, they are asking high amount of cytokinins and low amount of auxins is useful for the formation of an adukadu. Okay, for the formation of very, very important bit is stem formation. Next, opposite to this words, low amount of cytokinins and high amount of auxins, they encourage for the formation of roots. These are the very, very, very important, right? Okay, I am asking one question, right? For the formation of stems, which phytohormones are essential?
High cytokinin and low auxin.
Right. High amount of cytokinins and low amount of auxins are essential for the formation of stems. For the formation of roots, which chemical are essential?
Low amount of cytokinin and high amount of auxin.
Very good. Very good. Right. This is very, very important bit. Next, next bit is Richmond long effect. Richmond long effect means example, it is a leaf, it is green in color, after maturity it turned into yellow color, right? The process is called senescence. Senescence అంటే వార్ధక్యం, ముసలితనం వచ్చేస్తుంది. ఏ లీఫ్ గా టర్న్ అయితే green leaf is converted into yellow leaf. Green leaf is converted into yellow leaf, right? Next, if you spray delay the process of formation of yellow color, ante it delays, cytokinin delays the process of senescence. That process is called